Hello friends, welcome to MCQ List Study Corner. I'm your host Dr. Velmurugan. This is List keynotes for UGC NET, SET, JRF, KVS and other competitive examinations based on the new syllabus 2021. Unit 1, Set 2, come let us go. And data set 2 covers types of data, matching correct logical sequence, popular quotes about data, abbreviations and sources for further reading. Previous question purpose discussed later. Types of data. Data under the category of origin. It has been divided into two: primary data and secondary data. Primary data, the data obtained first-hand from individuals by direct observation, counting and measurement, or by interviews or mailing a questionnaire are called primary data. It may be complete enumeration or sampling. For example, data collected from a user survey. Secondary data, the data collected initially for the purpose and already published in books or reports but are used later on for some other purpose are referred to as secondary data. For example, data collected from census reports, books, data, monographs, etc. Based on the characteristics, it has been divided into two: quantitative data and qualitative data. Quantitative data, when the characteristic of observation is quantified, we get quantitative data. Quantitative data result from the measurement of the magnitude of the characteristic used. For example, age of a person, price of a commodity, income of a family, etc. Qualitative data, when the characteristic of observation is a quality or attribute, we get qualitative data. For example, sex or color of a person or intelligence of a student. Properties of data. Properties of data includes 7 items such as amenability of use, clarity, accuracy, the essence of the matter, aggregation, compression and refinement. Data matching is a correct logical sequence. Data observation, information, organization, that is logical reason, religion, knowledge, learning and assimilation, wisdom, judgment, it is application of content. Data, material facts, information, matter of facts, knowledge, matter of dispute, wisdom, non-material. Capture data, remote resource sharing, satellite, storage data, memory chips, processing data, VLSI chips, transportation of data, optical fiber, data sharing, number of application programs, data integrity, accurate and consistent data, data security, encryption. So popular quote about data: data is a precious thing and will last longer than the systems themselves, said by Tim Berners-Lee. Errors using inadequate data are much less than those using no data at all, Charles Babbage. Without data, you are just another person with an opinion, Edwards Deming. Not everything that can be counted counts, and not everything that counts can be counted, Albert Einstein. Data, data, data. I can't make bricks without clay, Arthur Conan Doyle. Data is not useful until it becomes information, Seth Godin. Abbreviations related to data: CODATA, Committee on Data for Science and Technology, CODATA ADD, the CODATA Task Group on Accessibility and Dissemination of Data, INGO, International Non-Governmental Organization, ISC, International Science Council, WDS, World Data System, IDF, International Data Forum, IDW, International Data Week, DBMS, Database Management System, DARE, Data Retrieval System for Documentation in Social Sciences from UNESCO, DRC, Data Referral Center, RDA, Research Data Alliance, SSDA, Social Science Data Archives. Authorized sources for further readings. Thanks for watching. Can you subscribe and visit my channel and website for more learning. Thank you.